In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to post unscheduled pay runs. We'll walk through how to create and post a pay run that sits outside your normal payroll cycle. This is really useful if you need to pay a bonus, a back payment, or fix a missed pay for one or more employees without affecting your regular schedule. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have access to the payroll area. From your main Xero dashboard, look for the payroll option in the top navigation menu. Go ahead and click on payroll. This will take you into the payroll section where you can manage employees, timesheets, and of course, pay runs. Once you're in payroll, find and click on pay employees. This is the area where all of your current, past, and future pay runs are listed. Think of it as your control panel for paying staff. If you already have scheduled pay runs, you'll see them here. But for today, we're focusing on creating a new unscheduled one. On the Pay Employees page, look for the button that says Add Pay Run, usually near the top right-hand side of the screen. Click on Add Pay Run. This is where you start telling Xero what kind of pay run you want to create. Next, you'll be asked to select a pay period. Even though this is an unscheduled pay run, you still need to choose the period it relates to. Use the drop-down to pick the correct pay period dates that match the payment you're trying to make, then click Next. Take a moment here to double check the period, because it affects how the pay is reported and how it appears in your payroll records. After you click Next, Xero will create the new pay run and you'll see it listed among your pay runs. Find the pay run you just added and click on it to open the details. Here, you can review and adjust any earnings, deductions, or employee selections as needed. Make sure everything looks correct. Employees included, amounts, tax, and any other relevant details. Once you're confident the information is accurate, look for the option that says Post Pay Run and click on it. Posting the pay run finalizes it, updates your payroll records, and prepares it for payment and reporting. Before you post, it's a good idea to quickly review totals one last time, because after posting, any corrections will require adjustments or another pay run. And that's it. You've successfully